How to clean and polish your granite and stone countertops in one easy step with Granite CPR. Keeping your granite and stone countertops clean and polished can be a real challenge. But if you're using the right product, it can be downright easy. Cleaning shoe polish, blueberry jam, red wine, and cooking oil from your countertop in one step is no easy task. Now you're probably asking yourself, what's up with the shoe polish? That's a fair question. We know you won't be cleaning shoe polish from your countertop, but we wanted to show off a little bit and add something hard to clean to demonstrate how well Granite CPR works. When you make cleaning products for a living, this is the kind of weird stuff you come up with. Go ahead and give your countertop a generous squirt of Granite CPR and just start wiping. Shoe polish. Who came up with that brilliant idea? Alright, there it goes. I always feel like the video crew is trying to embarrass me. Your countertop will now be silky smooth to the touch and really shiny. But since you can't touch it, and I have no idea how well you can see the shine on your screen, here's a spanky graphic for you. Granite CPR works on all smooth polished stones, natural and man-made. So if you have a stone countertop, we sure would appreciate it if you'd give Granite CPR a try. And you have nothing to lose. Because if you're not happy with the results from Granite CPR, we'll give your money back. And although we like to poke fun and laugh a bit, we never joke about money, especially when we're offering to give it back. Bring granite back to life with Granite CPR Cleaner and Polish. Granite CPR is proudly made in the USA. Click to subscribe to CPR's how-to videos or to watch the next video.